Hello, welcome back to my channel. My name is Carly Stevens. I'm the author of the Tanyuan Academy series, and this is English Nerd. So you might notice that I have a couple of unboxing videos in a row here, and I'm wearing the same thing. That is because I had a very exciting mail checking trip after work today. And not only did I get the Unplugged book box that I ordered earlier than I was expecting, which is awesome, but also I got another surprise as well, the hard copy of my Kingdoms on Fire, the last book in the Tanyuan Academy series. I got the proof copy of the hardcover, and I'm just still very happy. So I had never ordered, oh, that's upside down, an Unplugged book box before. I've gotten owl crates before, but the reason that I got Unplugged this time around is that I got some money for an owl crate, essentially, a book box service for Christmas, because I've really liked those in the past, and I was kind of keeping an eye on a few different services that I follow on Instagram and, for the sneak peeks and things like that. And the sneak peeks for this particular box made me the most excited. I thought, okay, that's got to be the one. I waited, and then I bounced. And so the Unplugged book box, I understand, is more like self-care items in addition to being a box with a book. It's obviously a box, but in addition to having like a book inside. So this will be a first for me, and I will share what I find. So let's see. The packaging is a little bit strange, actually, because it's this, but then I guess they just put the sticker with my address on it on upside down or something, because I'll just flip it around and there should be no problem at all. Okay, so Unplugged book box opening. We'll see if this goes well. This is more expensive than some other book boxes, but it looked good enough that I thought I'm just gonna risk it. I'm gonna supplement my Christmas cash and go for it. I heard through their Instagram that this was the biggest of the Unplugged boxes that they've done so far. I thought they meant literal, but I think they might mean like an extra item or what it's worth. I'm not quite sure. Okay, here we go. I'm opening it. Ooh, this is a great view. Okay, I need to do this for a second so you can see. Look at that. It's a very nice presentation so far. Okay, so first of all, I have a card. Imagination is the theme. May 2021, the Young Adult Unplugged book box, and then I have the information on the back. But I'm not going to look at that. I'm going to open things, and then I'm going to see the list of stuff that it came with, make sure it all matches up. Okay, so let's see what we have here. Always Victorious candle. Very nice. So this is an Ember in the Ashes type of thing, I would think. Always Victorious, that is Elias's, the Victorious motto. Ooh, I wasn't expecting that. So see, it's like a moon and some crystals. It smells like orange. Very nice. There's a little crumbly thing that came off, so I'm trying to be careful. I think it got sort of jammed a little bit. You can kind of see there's like something hit it. But that smells very nice. Always Victorious. I really like Elias, so I'm into that. Okay, let's see. Our next item is Always and Forever Lara Jean. Lara Jean's Sweet Iced Tea Lemonade made with love for Peter Kavinsky. Always and Forever Lara Jean. How cute. So I've seen the first two, To All the Boys I've Loved Before movies, and I really liked them, particularly the first one. The first one was really good. The second one was, it was okay. But I still need to see the third one. So I guess you just kind of put the iced tea lemonade. It's like granulated, and then you stir it up. Yeah, exactly. Okay. Well, I'll definitely try that. I love, beverages. So I think this was a little higher. There we go. Okay, next up we have, it's a pin. I think it's Baby Smog? Let's see, Unplugged book box, exclusive collectible enamel pin in collaboration with Alyssa's World, and I think I'm pronouncing that correctly. I'll have to double check with the card at the end, but it looks like Baby Smaug from The Hobbit. Very cute. I like that a lot. Okay, next we have a yellow umbrella. Okay, this is the umbrella cover. So what actually is it? Let's find out in the safety of my own home. Okay, does it have one of those buttons? No. Okay, so I don't live in a place where it actually rains all that much, and when it rains, it also lightnings, and so normally having like something metal above your head is like not the smartest thing, so I'm not the most versed in umbrellas. So let's just see what we have here. Oh, come on. All right. So we have, I'm doing something wrong. Come on. For goodness sake. Work. What do you look like? Let's see. Oh, it's Anne of Green Gables. That was like unnecessarily difficult what I was doing. Okay, I'll figure out how to work this because it should not be this hard. Go, umbrella, go! All right, well, I'm having umbrella technical difficulties, but that is such a cute design. I really like that. I love Anne of Green Gables. I used to have like my room all themed Anne of Green Gables. At least that's what I told myself. It wasn't super themed. Well, that is really cute. Okay, it has one of those things where you tie it up. I'm sorry, umbrella. I know I'm not treating you very well. I'll figure it out later, but that is adorable. Okay, 15 minutes later, can she get the thing on? Well, I guess that's what this is for. Nope, that's not going back on. Okay, I'm just gonna put that over there and hope that it doesn't like explode on me. Okay, next up, we have Feral Storm Clouds Petrichor Ink Bath Gel. Oh, petrichor, that's the smell after rain. Feral, I don't know why it's called feral. Storm Clouds, Rain Power. Unless it's Strange the Dreamer feral. Is it? The character, one of the gods. The godchildren. Let's see, it doesn't smell that much. Let's see if there's something blocking the way. There's something blocking the way, that's why it's not working. I'm glad I didn't just pretend to smell it. My nose doesn't work all that well, so sometimes I can like fabricate things. For goodness sake. Ooh, okay, there we go, there we go. That smells really good. Yeah, it's not just a rain smell, it's also like a I don't know, it's not lavender. I don't know, that's really nice though. I will definitely be using that. So it's shower gel, if I didn't already say what that was. Okay, next we have a bath bomb. I love bath bombs. I've been super getting into them. So like a bubble bar scoop, I guess is what they say. This is Bubbly Confections. It's an afternoon at the bookstore. Books and tea. Is that the smell? Books and tea. It looks sort of sparkly. I don't know if you can see that very well, but I will definitely use it. I love a bath bomb. Okay, so we have a candle, a bath bomb, we have a drink, we have a shower gel, we have a pin, an umbrella, and then I think, ooh, something just fell out of all the packaging stuff. We have a lip balm. Maya Tamarind is what it's inspired by. Raspberry thread. What does that mean? Thread. Must smell like raspberries. So I'll have to double check. Maya Tamarind is not a name that rings a bell for me, and I know if you're a big fan of that fandom, I'm sorry, but I don't know that. Okay, now I didn't do any research into what the book actually was. I just saw the quick brief explanation when they first announced the Imagination book box, and I know it's easy to just look up what's coming out in May and figuring it out, but I didn't do that, so this is going to be brand new, exciting information for me. Okay, so Fins. Okay, so we have a free sneak peek of Fins by Randy Wayne Wright with like activities inside. It looks like a middle grade sort of thing, which I'm not against. I mean, I'm currently reading some middle grade stuff that's amazing, but yeah, we just have a sneak peek of that. Okay, we have a YA photo challenge, some journal prompts. Yeah, lots of stuff in this box. We have Two Sisters, One Unforgettable Twist. Okay, let's see. Let's read the note from the writer of whatever book it is. Dear reader, the first Hunger Games book came out when I was still in middle school. I devoured it in a matter of days and was soon hooked on all YA, which felt so much more immediate and relevant to my life than the classics we were assigned at school. But the more I read, the more I noticed a trend. The older siblings tend to save the younger ones. What if, I wondered, the younger sibling didn't need saving? And so came the idea for this book. It's both a love letter to the dystopians I was reading as a teen and the animes I grew up watching, as well as an exploration of my own questions for the world, ones that became disturbingly relevant in the year 2020. How much are we willing to sacrifice for other people? Are freedoms and rights in conflict with one another? Can you live life to the max without harming someone else? And do we really know what it means to be true to ourselves? There are no right or wrong answers, only ones that ring true to you. I hope you find them as you cross oceans with C and Casey. I think that's how I'm saying it. Okay, and then I have a book plate all signed. All right. Let's try to open this. This is unexpectedly challenging. Maybe I'm just bad at packaging. I think that's what I've learned through this process. Bad at opening things like umbrellas. Okay, don't worry. It'll just take a sec. Okay. Success. I don't know why they have it in this intense sleeve, but they do for some reason. All right, The Ones We're Meant to Find by Joan Hay. He? I don't know. Well, let's check it out. Let's see. It's been 3 years and 17 days since C woke up on the shore of an abandoned island. She has no idea how she came to be marooned or what her life was like before. She has only the rickety house by the sea, the android she built for company, Cinder vibes, and a single memory. Somewhere beyond the horizon, she has a sister, and it's up to C to escape the island and find her. A world away, 16-year-old STEM prodigy Casey is also looking to escape from the science she once believed in and from her home. The eco-cities, Earth's last unpolluted habitats, are meant to be a sanctuary for those from deserving lineages, but for those committed to planetary protection. But instead, they're populated by people willing to do anything for refuge, even lie. After a series of man-made disasters rock the planet, Casey must decide if she's ready to use science to help humanity, even though it failed the people who mattered most to her. Okay, and then she's the author of Descendant of the Crane. I've heard of that one. So this is science fiction with mind-blowing twists. And Marie Lu really likes it, so I am a big fan of Marie Lu. Her Legend series and the Warcross series, I've really enjoyed both of those. All right. Okay. So let's just take a look. Let's take a closer look, shall we? We'll just take the cover off. Nice. I like the inside, the artwork. Look at that. Let's see if the other side is the same. The other side we have this. Very cool. All right, well, I will look forward to diving into that. And I think that is it for the box. This video has already gone on for a while, but I guess that's a good sign, right? That there was a lot to be found. So then at the bottom they have the June themes, and then some of the fandom sneak peeks. So Aristotle and Dante is the YA fandom sneak peek for June, and I did really like that book, but I'll have to kind of think about it. Let's take stock, and then I will wrap up. So going back to the initial thing, we have To All the Boys I've Loved Before, Iced Tea Lemonade Mix, check. Bookish Bubble Scoop, check. Spin the Dawn Lip Balm, that's what it is. So I haven't read Spin the Dawn yet. I know about it, but I didn't recognize the character's name. The Hobbit Enamel Pin, yes, it is Baby Smaug, after all. Anne of Green Gables Umbrella, so cute. Ember in the Ashes Candle, I love both candles and Ember in the Ashes, so very nice. And I was right, Strange the Dreamer shower gel. So that's Feral from Strange the Dreamer. It's one of the gods who lives in the Seraphim. I'm trying to use words, but I've been teaching all day, so it's not easy. Okay, well, that was a lot of cool stuff. I'll have to check it out. I'll have to see how I like it in practice, you know, bath bomb, shower gel, all of that. But I'm going to end this unboxing video. Everything is officially unboxed, and I'll be trying this stuff, and hopefully, you know, you can give these boxes a try. It's like having mini Christmas just suddenly given to your door. You don't know what's going to be in there, and it's pretty fun. All right, yeah, like this video if you like it. Don't forget to subscribe for more English nerdy goodness, and I'll see you on Monday. Bye.